Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a really quick video for you. Your Bronco has tie downs in the back, in the cargo area. And if it came with this plastic cover, you might be wondering, how can you tie things down if you can't get to the 4 tie downs? I was wondering the same thing on the other Bronco, so let me show you. I went ahead and flipped over the plastic mat, and you will see that there are little scissors right here, and there's an outline of where to cut. So all you got to do is take a razor to all 4 of those, and you'll have yourself a perfect little opening for your tie downs. All right, so we just take a razor blade, and this material is actually a lot easier to cut than you might think. I had some really big scissors that I was going to originally use, but it was not needed. It's pretty easy to, you know, the slower you go, the more perfect, I guess, you'll get your cut. When I first did it, I wasn't super concerned that it came out perfect. But if you're not careful, you will actually cut out of like the main area where you should be cutting. Whew. Don't do that. Don't cut yourself like I almost did. And there you go. Once you cut it out, you'll have perfect access to this right here. And it's not even noticeable. I actually did it on my wife's Braptor, and she hasn't even noticed. I did that like a month and a half ago. If you found this tip helpful at all, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.